Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be talking about something that I think is very important because literally every sneaker botter uses it, and this is proxies. Now, everyone has their own opinion on proxies because, let's face it, if you did not know, proxies all come from resellers, and these are big companies that actually have their own network set up, and essentially what sneaker proxies are, they're companies that buy these proxies in bulk and they resell them. It's as simple as that, but it kind of makes sense because as a sneaker botter, you cannot go ahead and buy 1,000 gigabytes of data from a big company and then use that yourself because it doesn't financially make sense. So it's actually a lot easier for us to buy it in these 10 gigabytes, 5 gigabyte, even 2 gigabyte little small packages. It's just cheaper for us, and we're not going to use 1,000 gigabytes unless you're doing some crazy botting. So this whole system does make sense. However, they kind of took the piss a little bit. If you didn't know, there were sneaker companies buying $1 proxies from PacketStream and literally reselling them for upwards of $7. And there's a lot more of this on Twitter. I can't actually name any companies off the top of my head, but this has changed a lot recently. And essentially, you are getting scammed if you are not in this group I'm going to mention in this video. The thing is, with proxy reselling, it's common wholesale technique, right? This is a common wholesale strategy. People do this with Amazon. They'll buy a product in bulk and then sell it individually on Amazon. And this is literally what it is, but just with a virtual item, right? They're buying data and then reselling it in smaller packages. But the problem is, because it's advertised as sneaker proxies, some people will lie about it, some people will pay for success. Koch is an interesting one because they have their secret pool, which is amazing. But then they use this to resell their normal pool, which honestly isn't as good. But their secret proxies are amazing, but they use this as an interesting marketing strategy to keeping the secret pool really expensive and private, whereas having like a common pool that you can buy all the time. This is just a very interesting marketing strategy, and a lot of proxy reselling is down to just good marketing and PR. Seriously, if you work for a proxy PR company, you are massively intelligent. I just want to say that right now because it's so interesting. But a lot of people still pay insane prices, up to £10 a gigabyte, for what they think is special proxies. And it can be more. I know people who are paying £20 a gigabyte for, honestly, I don't know what. It's a common product. Now, there are some companies, well, I think there's a company I know of that do actually have their own infrastructure, and that is Round Proxies. Those guys, I do believe, actually have their own network. However, the rest of them are just resold. Now, obviously, they're not going to tell you what network that is, whether that's Smart Proxy, Oxy Labs, etc., but that's essentially what they're doing. Now, the reason why I tell you this now is because things have changed, and there are now retail groups. Specifically, one we're going to be focusing on today, Retail by Rampage, because these guys were the first to do it, and they're the best to do it, and I'll tell you why. Essentially, to sum up these groups, people pay monthly like a cook group, which instantly, everyone shits themselves. Because, look, I'm a botter too. I know monthly costs are the worst thing in the world, but have an open mind. Work with me here, okay? Let's have an open mind. Let's not consider the monthly cost yet, okay? And essentially what this does is they get a load of people in a group, let's say 100, 200, 300 people, and they say, let's all buy these proxies for retail. Because they get so many people, they can now get better bulk deals because the owners of it are now buying, instead of buying 1,000 gigabytes, they can buy 2,000 gigabytes. And then the retail gets cheaper. It's only, let's say, 80p a gigabyte. Just work with me. Let's say it's £1 a gigabyte. And because they're buying more, they then get it for 80p a gigabyte. So all the users can pay for it that much. Now, where do they make their money? Boom, that's the monthly fee. But they're going to be making a considerable less amount of profit when you think about it. Now, the main providers, I don't want to confuse you with all that stuff. We'll talk a little bit about that later. But the main providers that there are Oxy Labs, NetNut, Smart Proxies, and also PacketStream. Now, there's a few others, but they're kind of the main ones that, honestly, you're probably using if you are buying proxies from a sneaker proxy company. So Rampage Proxies, to give you some background, they just used to be a normal proxy company, but they realized, why are we reselling these proxies when we can actually make a group dedicated to it and give people much better prices, because you are literally getting prices for retail. And when you start to look at some of the prices, they are so cheap, it's actually a little bit scary because you start to realize how much you are getting mugged off by these big proxy companies. And this is why the title of this video is probably you are getting scammed, because Retail by Rampage, I'm not joking. I'm a big Foot Locker botter at the moment, right? I'm loving Foot Locker, but it uses data. It eats that shit, and this is valuable video for a lot of US people too. If you're struggling on proxy data, check this out. Instead of buying this off a reseller, I can now buy this for retail and be able to generate the same amount of pools, the same custom pools. It's not like you're shafted. You can still do Foot Locker EU pools. You can still do rotating, sticky, all that stuff in a Discord UI with a dashboard coming soon. Now, my favorite thing about this is it is actually a win for the consumer, which is what I'm a big believer in. I know there's a lot of businesses where it's really good for the business owner, which obviously it needs to be, right? That's how they make them profit through the monthly fee, which I think is actually really reasonable. Now, right now, I believe the fee is £20 a month, but if you guys are interested in this, the link will be the top in the description, because this seriously is an amazing opportunity to check out retail proxies. Okay, so let's actually hop into the pricing and let's talk more about what they provide. So it's not just resis that I was kind of mentioning earlier. You get DCs, ISPs, and this is also for US and UK. So this gives you a really good kind of whole pricing system here. So starting off with Oxy Labs. Oxy Labs and Smart Proxies are honestly going to be the main ones that you're going to be using for Foot Locker, Offspring, all that sort of stuff, which honestly is like the bulk of botting at the moment. So Oxy Labs is £6.50 a gigabyte, which I'm telling you, check your current resale providers. They will not beat these prices. And Smart Proxy is at £5.60, which is even cheaper. On Offspring, you can actually use quite a lot of data, especially with the bot I use, Mirage. But at £5.60 a gigabyte, there is nowhere you are not, first of all, hitting and making money. Now, moving down, you got NetNut. That's £4.90 a gigabyte. That's more US, though, I want to say. Subnetworks is £5.70 a gigabyte. All pricing will be on screen, by the way. Packet Stream is 80p a gigabyte, which is actually cheaper than you can buy from them. They charge like £1 a gigabyte. 80p a gigabyte for Packet Stream. All my Foot Asylum botters, you already know, if you're not in here, what are you doing? Next one, DCs. Now, I'll have a kind of a full spreadsheet on the screen right now, but daily is 50p, and it just kind of changes. But there's monthly, you're looking at about £1 a DC, which is pretty reasonable. ISPs are £1.25. If you're a Nike botter, if you're using U sneakers lots, it might not be a bad idea to buy a few. You got all your accounts sorted with ISPs. It's pretty good. And they've also got AU1, so AU Foot Locker. That's £1.25 a month as well. Right, we've switched to a few days later because I just hit something that I think is all right. And of course, we did this with Rampage Retail. I was running the Smart Pool Proxy. We'll do a pricing breakdown in just a second, but I need to show you what I managed to hit. We managed to secure 4 pairs of easy slides with even more coming in. Now, honestly, I'll be able to make my money back just off the Rampage Retail monthly fee with these. As you can see, this is a pure, which is honestly doing better. My plan is to hold these until summer, but I'll get a pair out for you just to show you. These things are so nice. But here you go. Here is some in-hand success of Rampage Retail. Now, I can't even lie, I've been killing Offspring. We also managed to hit these on Offspring as well, these foam runners, and like, these are crazy. I have no idea what kind you were thinking in these, but if you wanted these Smart Proxy Pool and Offspring, I'm telling you. Right, enough of the in-hand success and all that. I actually got quite a few foam runners, I can't lie. Don't worry, in-hand success coming soon. Just follow the Twitter, link in description, you'll see it. And that's pretty much and that's it. All the purchasing is done in the Discord bot, but like I said, they're planning on getting a dashboard done soon. Now, if you guys are looking to, first of all, support the channel, obviously it's an affiliate link. Shout out to the guys over there. But this is also like a sick system. And the more people that they get in, the cheaper the proxies. The proxies are brilliant prices. As you can see, I'll have a whole pricing thing on the screen right now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This is a win for the consumer. And obviously, if you want to stay winning, make sure you join. Sneaker botting, a lot of people have said it's been bricking lately. It's been bad. Sneakers are bad. Moving to NFTs. Personally, I've been getting more pairs than ever. I'll have a video on the 40 pairs I managed to cop and sell coming soon. But as always, hope you guys are good, and I'll see you in another video.